Guess what? Yes, you do. The snow is coming. It's snowing. No! Stop! The snow! It's the snow. The snow. No? The snow is coming. The snow is coming. The snow is coming. What is Grayson doing? This is silly. This is silly. What's wrong with him? Oh, you have to say. What's your favorite child? No, don't peck me. Well, you can't call this. Can you even see it? No, you don't see anything. Eddie. Oh, Eddie. Oh. Ooh. That's crazy. Loose. No, dude. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? What about Mr. Superbird? You like phones? You like phones? You like phone? What's a phone? Do you like phones? No, you don't like phones. Do like phones. No! Stop! So crazy! No! Polish. Hey! Wait. No, why? You have so much food, but you don't eat any. You just eat my jacket. Buddy, no food. Raven! Do. Goodbye. The snowstorm is coming. What if I want to talk to the other birds? They're nice birds. Eddie? Oh, Eddie. No, it's not food. Are you? Jake food? No. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Are you excited for snow, Mr. Mike? I know you are. Hey! Ow! So crazy. Oh! Don't peck me! Eddie. Miranda? Do you like snow? Do you, my favorite chicken? Stop pecking my butt. Don't peck my butt. Stop. No! Don't peck it either. Dude, that was crazy. This is the golden dude. Ow! Hello, Rudy. This is silver dude. Stop getting my jacket. See? It's not food. It's not food. See? It's not food. It's not for you. You okay there? You don't stop pecking me. I'll pet you. Goodbye. Are you excited for the snowstorm? Ow! Oh, that must not be. Oh no, they're bullying me. They picked me. Goodbye, chickens. Goodbye. Bye-bye.